CRCL stock analysis and CRCL stock prediction. What I'll be doing in this brief short video is my exact play. Mainly how I would trade this and who am I? Well, I'm the only guy in the space that's done this for 42,000 videos over 5 years, documented everything. It's all on my YouTube channel. And only guy that's the most transparent out here. Nobody else is going to pop up here and show you proof that I really began buying this when it was 76 bucks. Right? Here's the proof. I was way earlier, like 76.98, let's say 77, three weeks ago. Since then, I can tell you certainly, bro, this has been just pumping like crazy. I mean, I'm no different. I'm still looking to double down on this. Ideally, I see a break. I mean, if I don't see those shifts, then I'm obviously not gonna buy. But I want to see a first break above 195 and then onwards. Not in a rush or any sort of rush. I have a lot of receipts in the Discord as well with 17 results. But if you want my step-by-step formula and approach to learn, just click the first link in the description. Absolutely risk-free. 1,200 people have tried it.